Just thought I'd come out here and give you guys a little look of how to actually look at nighttime. I'm gonna go through a couple of these here colors, kind of show you guys. That's blue right there. I'm gonna switch it to white. And I'll just be switching, you know, just random colors. Thousand count. And where's dog at? Like right here. These are my AC vents. And I went all the way to the back of the third row. And let me start my truck real quick for you guys. We'll get y'all can kind of see how I, you know. Let me start this truck so y'all can get like a visual of how it will be with everything going together.
She know about that. Baby, these diamonds and